Today, we're going to look at how to check copyright status of your audio inside CapCut Mobile. This is super helpful if you don't want your video muted or flagged when exporting or uploading to TikTok. Let's begin. Once your video and audio are added, look at the bottom toolbar and tap on Audio. Now, scroll across the bottom toolbar. You'll find an option called Copyright or Copyright Check. Tap on it, you'll now see two separate copyright options. Copyright Check for Export. This checks if the music used is safe for exporting and using offline or on other platforms. If flagged, your exported file may trigger copyright issues when uploaded elsewhere. Copyright Check for posting on TikTok. This checks if TikTok will allow your audio. If issues are detected, TikTok may mute your audio or block your upload. Tap either option depending on where you plan to publish your video. CapCut will analyze your audio and notify you whether it's safe to use or if it could be copyrighted. If you see a warning, consider switching to copyright-free music from CapCut's library or upload your own original sound. And that's it. You now know how to properly run a copyright check in CapCut Mobile, helping you avoid muted audio or takedowns on your favorite platforms. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut mobile guides.